Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to turn on or off the auto sprint option in Dying Light The Beast, so enjoy watching! So start by pressing the O button on your keyboard or move here to open the options. Now in the game tab you can see here the auto sprint option. When it's enabled, the character will automatically sprint when moving forward. Otherwise press the shift button to run. I like to switch it on. Maybe sometimes it's good to switch it off. Depends what game style you like, but I prefer to always run and go through the horde of zombies in this game, so decide for yourself and make your choice. And that would be all for this video. Leave a like, comment and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye!